online shopping is there, so we are just wasting our money and those things. We are not thinking. And there is another one syndrome is there, I think, shiny object syndrome. Whenever we see any shiny things, and if that things to our friend's place or our neighbor place also, so we also feel, means I don't know, we feel very much greedy, and we feel that lure, or you can say we feel to take that things now, come what may. We are not thinking it is useful for us or not. So recently only I came across one video, and that time that person told, if you want to purchase anything now, you just take 30 days time, okay? And that is rule, actually 30 days rule, okay? So before buying anything, you have to rethink, and you have to wait for 30 days at least. So what happened after 30 days now, you are that greed, you can say, or you, if you never feel to buy those things. And if you feel that you have to buy those things, then yeah, you have to buy.
Evening, Sangeeta
But
ji.
good evening, ma'am.
How has your day been so far? What did you do the whole day?
Yeah, my day has been so far quite productive. What I decided yesterday, as per my to-do list, I did everything. So I am right now on cloud nine. So yeah, that's
Because you
about
are
my
done with
day.
everything.
Yeah, exactly. Because
Mhm.
whatever we plan
Mhm.
and we do now, we
Mhm.
feel always good for that. So that is the reason.
So you are satisfied that you had a very productive day. You have a very
Exactly.
productive day that way.
Exactly.
Okay. So in brief, regarding your introduction, what do you do and the place you belong to? Because it's important thing now when you begin with any this sort of conversation, it is important for the viewers.
Exactly, exactly. First of all, I would like to say you thank you for giving me this precious and wonderful opportunity. And yes, now about myself. My name is Sangeeta Dicholkar, and I'm connecting with you from a beautiful state, Goa. And right now, I'm proud homemaker. But if you ask me about my qualifications, so I have done my nursing diploma after 12th science, and I was working at a pharmaceutical companies, and I have almost 15 to 16 years of experience. Last year only I quit my job because of some unavoidable reason. I'm
Mm.
mother to two children, handsome children. And if you ask me about my hobby, so I like to ride bicycle. And I
Mm.
every day I ride almost 40 to 45 minutes bicycle. Then apart from that, I like to read books also. And this habit actually I inculcate recently because of my this you can say spoken practice, because I want to hone my communication skills. So I inculcated that habit, and I am enjoying nowadays reading
Mhm.
books. And besides that, I am mellophile. I like to listen to music also. So that's all about me in a nutshell.
Wonderful habits you have developed. So you listen music, it
Yes.
soothes your mind, and you do lots
Yes.
of exercise in the form of cycling. If you do
Yes.
cycling for 40 to 45 minutes, I think it is more
Yes.
than enough, and it is a wonderful exercise also. In cities, it's
Exactly.
not possible to go for
Yes.
cycling because you find most of the time the roads they are crowded.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
but actually cycling is very good for your this thing, physical exercise also, as well as it gives me lots of energy. You can say, I must say here that I can use my coffee, because cycling, it is my childhood hobby actually. Since my childhood, I have been riding bicycle.
that's great. That's great. So, Sangeeta ji, as you know, I'm Kabalji. I hail from Jalandhar.
Yes.
It's a small town of Punjab. And I think everybody sitting anywhere in India is quite familiar with Punjab, right? Mighty Punjab.
Yes.
So far as
Yes.
my other characteristics you want to know, yeah, I'm also like you. Like cycling is your, you can say hobby. You used the word hobby. But if I keep myself at your place, I would take it as it's a part of your fitness regime because I'm also a fitness freak. But I do other
Oh,
things to keep myself fit.
Okay.
Professionally, if you talk about, I have been associated with teaching, not directly into teaching. I was into teaching in the college. Um, then I was, you can say, I got the opportunity and I reached at the topmost position, you may say. It was not a kind of promotion. That's why I took a pause, like it happens in the government jobs. I became the head of the institutions. So I have been at the topmost position for 13, 14 years. Then finally, I decided that I want to do something of my own. I felt we all have got just one life, and it was my not childhood dream, like youth time dream that I want to do something of my own. I want to become an entrepreneur. So then I took sabbatical and finally I quit. So I am out of that arena now and I'm running my cafeteria. This is all about me.
Wow, that's great. You are doing something quite different. That's
Yeah,
great.
you may say. And on and off, I keep on posting videos onto YouTube. But now, because I have been off the track for a very long period, and then I felt that my this YouTube journey, my channel is almost, it has become a sort of dead kind of thing. So I want to now rejuvenate this journey, my YouTube also. And because in Punjab and like other places, like the place you belong to, or everywhere, any part of India you talk about, the person who are from the English background might be speaking very well, very confidently, fluently. But people like us who are not into it, and like in our state also, government has made it mandatory to use or write or speak. You talk in your regional language only, Punjabi. So there is that way very little scope left for people like me who are have become with the passage of time passionate about this language, but we can't pursue our passion. Like a
Okay.
number of times, what happens is we go to the market and we are enchanted by the advertisements and hoardings, and we come back home buying the stuff, thinking we will use it, but actually we don't use that. Do you also buy or have you recently bought anything of this kind? Or are you in a habit of buying such kind of stuff which you might have bought or may not be buying it on the regular basis, but at some point of time in your life you bought something of this sort and haven't used it yet till day?
Yeah, you chose very correct person for this conversation actually because I am very much impulsive buyer, okay? I'm like that only, and actually I want to cut down my that habit, but still now I can't. I am helpless, okay, because of this advertisement and everything. And nowadays, see, it is digital era. We have to click button and everything will come at your doorstep. Okay. So nowadays it's very easy. It is like a piece of cake. Okay. So for me, earlier actually I must say here, earlier I was very much impulsive buyer, but nowadays I'm just trying to decrease that habit. Okay. Because now what I got to know, what I realized, that things not only we are not wasting on only our money, but we are just collecting clutter in our house. Okay, we have to maintain it. And another thing is, if we can't declutter those things now, we always feel we are middle of chaos. For example, see, if in our mind lots of thoughts are there, then we can't think properly, we can't think rightly. Same way, if in your home lots of things are there, clutter things are there, and we never declutter it, then what happen? You feel now always in chaos, in hurry. Okay, you can't focus on any one thing. So that's why nowadays I'm just cutting down that habit. But if you want, I want to give you one my example, because now I like to do lots of fashion and those things. I like to purchase lots of saris because I like to wear saris actually. But nowadays I'm not wearing lot of saris, because earlier I used to go at work. That time I prefer to wear sari. But as I told you right now, I am homemaker, so no need now. I never need to wear that sari and those things. Okay. So what happened recently only, last month only, I think I brought two three saris. Okay, and still now I didn't see that sari properly. Means their design, that intricacies of design, nothing. I just kept that things na in my cupboard. Means you can say I even I didn't touch also that sari after buying. Okay, and my son only, he told me, Mama, you have lots of saris in cupboard. You are not using. Why you are wasting money? So he only opened my eyes. Okay, and that saris, because saris are not very cheap. Okay, it's very much expensive. And another thing, you have to wear that blouse and that ornaments. Everything means you are wasting so much money on that nonsense things, I can say. So
Hmm.
nowadays I'm just trying to just do that, mitigate that habit. I want to reduce my that habit. Yes, that's
That's very true, Sangeeta ji. Uh, so far as clothes are concerned, dresses are concerned, we both are on the same
hmm
page. Whenever I open my wardrobe, I see so many dresses I might have bought online by doing online shopping, or some of the dresses was I purchased from the market, thinking that I would wear it someday. But the thing is, I
yes.
have realized that over the span of time, then your taste also changes. I don't feel like wearing those dresses now. I feel
Exactly.
either they
Actually,
have become outdated or they may not suit me. So these are new dresses, but of no use to me now.
exactly. And that day never ever comes, because we are always waiting for that perfect day, perfect occasion. But that day never
Never
comes. And
comes.
if that day comes, that fashion will always vanish. Okay,
That
because
becomes
fashion is very volatile.
outdated.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it changes. It
it
changes.
changes.
Yeah. So that is, and what is the main thing? I am very much stingy also, I can say. So I always see if there is any free things, buy one get free one free. Okay, so I always means that I incline to those things. Okay, but we never think that they are here for business. Okay, they are not here to give you in their short price or
Nothing is
like
free.
those.
In fact, nothing is free.
Yeah, so
This
they
is
have
their
their another
strategy.
strategy.
Yeah, there is
Yeah,
marketing. This is
exactly,
marketing. This is
exactly.
their market
And
strategy.
and see, ma'am, I want to give you my one example. When my father was there, and in my childhood days, if I wanted to buy something, my father, he was thinking twice, thrice, even sometimes he was taking 1 month to buy one thing. Okay, so now sometimes now I'm just reminding those things, how it was that time and how it is now. And I think because of this digital era also, online shopping is there, so we are just wasting our money and those things. We are not thinking. And there is another one syndrome is there, I think, shiny object syndrome. Whenever we see any shiny things, and if that things to our friend's place or our neighbor place also, so we also feel, means I don't know, we feel very much greedy, and we feel that lure, or you can say we feel to take that things now, come what may. We are not thinking it is useful for us or not. So recently only I came across one video, and that time that person told, if you want to purchase anything now, you just take 30 days time. Okay, and that is rule, actually 30 days rule. Okay, so before buying anything, you have to rethink, and you have to wait for 30 days at least. So what happened after 30 days now? You are that greed, you can say, or you, if you never feel to buy those things. And if you feel that you have to buy those things, then yeah, you have to buy. But after 30 days, if you don't feel to buy those things, then never ever buy. So you have to give at least now 30 days to yourself. And it is about now about 2000 rupees price. If that item is above 30 above 2000 rupees now, then you have to apply this 30 days rule. And I think it is quite useful, we have to use. But
Hmm.
as easier said than done, it is not possible for ladies. We are not waiting for 30 days. It's quite next to impossible for
Yes,
us.
that's true. That's true. So it was all about clothing, but I think we purchase so much of the other stuff also. Like
Yes.
I used to visit. I'm not in a habit of, like, we are two sisters, and my sister is my go-to person, and she is in a habit of going to the trade fairs, and she would always
Oh,
encourage me, just to come with me for the company's sake. And whenever we go to attend any trade fair, and I think might be the similar kind of scenario happening at your place as well, you would there is definitely one corner or one place where kitchen stuff is available. And
yes.
normally what happens is, besides the rest of the items, one chopper I find in all the trade fairs. The person is chopping something with one gadget and doing everything whatever will do in the kitchen. Like if you buy that one gadget, you can do multiple things you can do with that.
Things. Yeah, it is multitasker.
Right?
Yes.
So I have done that shopping a number of times, and these kinds of things are still lying in my kitchen because these are so complicated. Every time you have to change the fitting part, like if you want to chop your vegetable or salad, cut salad or onion kind of thing. And I think one such item, big item, is still there in my kitchen, and I might have bought it about 8, 9 years back. I have never tried to fit all these gadgets to use it because it's so much complicated. So we buy these kinds of things also. And
Yeah, yeah.
uh,
Yes.
my son, he's a grown-up child, and like buying these gym gadgets, fitness gadgets. So one
Yes,
day he
correct.
bought all this gym set, everything. After that, he went away for his studies. He's not here now living with us. So I think he might have used it just for a month or two at the maximum. And the things are still lying as it is. They're gathering dust now.
Yeah, exactly. And we ladies are very much inclined to those things, kitchen gadgets.
Yeah.
Though we have lots of things in kitchen, but we want new things. And that's why what I am doing nowadays. Now, see, now I'm staying in Goa, Vasco. So here one fair has started. Okay, last week only it started. But I'm just avoiding to go there because I know my habit. If I have money in my pocket, then I am impulsive buyer. I know, and I would buy anything. Okay, so I am just avoiding to go there because I also have that habit to collect that kitchen gadgets. And
Hmm.
you know what is the thing? Actually, my father, he has given me lots of utensil, lots of things. Okay, but still now we want one and another thing, new things, and this new gadget now always attract our mind. And that shopkeeper, they have that strategy. The way they are showing, they are attracting ourselves. So we also feel to tempt, we
Hmm.
feel because we nowadays it is advertised tempt also, and we also feel to buy those things. And when we see they are not, that time they are doing very nicely, very easy way,
Very
but that
easily,
same gadget,
comfortably,
yeah,
effortlessly they
yeah,
do.
and that same gadget, if you buy at your home now, it's very complicated, and you
Yeah.
feel why I have bought these things. Okay, so that is their strategies because it's not working so smoothly and so nicely the
Hmm.
way they were showing there. They are showing there, right? So I don't nowadays. I'm just avoiding to go also there. Okay, and you told about these things. Okay, gym gadget, gym equipment, and you know that gym equipment, it is so expensive.
Expensive.
It
Yeah.
is not a cheap rate and those things. And if you don't use those things now, then it will get rusted also. So you have to maintain it properly, and it's very heavy. So we can't just keep from here to there, there to
Yes.
there. Okay, it's very heavy also. So that is another thing. Actually, maintaining those things, it is another headache for
Hmm.
us.
And moreover, I have realized, if you want to inculcate this habit of using these gadgets, we can do only if we see somebody else doing. Like gym is the right place. When you buy
Exactly.
these things, this stuff, and bring those gadgets at your home, you would use it for a day or two or week, at the maximum a month or 2 months. After that, you start feeling getting bored. You don't feel like doing it alone. You need somebody should be by your side. I think it's
Ex-
that kind of habit. It's difficult to
Exactly.
do it alone. It proves boring.
Yeah, yeah, it feel monotonous also after some days because initially we feel very energetic,
Yeah.
enthusiastic about new things, but after sometimes that all energy, enthusiasm now fizzles out. Okay,
Yeah.
and actually, see, we are human beings. We are very much, we want to live in society. And if you go to gym, we feel little na healthy type jealousy also. Are that person is doing, then why can't I? Okay, so because of that jealousy person also, we also doing more and more. So that is another
Yes,
benefit.
yes,
Go
yes.
there and do there.
You
Correct.
can take it as a jealousy or motivation or inspiration. You can name it
But yeah,
anyway.
exactly,
But
exactly,
that spirit is definite. Something is there which is pushing you to do that thing.
exactly.
Yes.
And I must say, it is healthy jealousy. It is not bad
Yeah,
jealousy, and we
it's not
want that
always bad. It's just,
jealousy.
yeah, it's not
Exactly.
always bad. Yes.
Because most of the ladies say, if we go to Zumba and that courses that also, so we see there lots of slim and trim ladies. So we also feel okay to do those things. So that is, you just take as most motivation or inspiration also. Whatever you want to give, you just give healthy jealousy, motivation or inspiration. But you feel to do more, and you don't feel that tedious and mundane job. Okay, but if you do that same work at home now, after some days you feel it is laborious task. Okay, it is arduous task for us. So it is always better to go gym and do there only. Whatever
Mm.
exercise workout you want to do there only. That is the best way.
And when we go
Okay,
to
that is the
the gym and we find somebody very slim, trim, and this is also
yes.
sometimes becomes the reason that we buy the dresses. We at that very moment we are not fitting into the dresses, but with the feeling that some because I have joined the gym and someday I'm going to lose my weight and my body will come in shape and this dress would look
Yes.
beautiful. I would look beautiful wearing this dress, but that thing never happens.
Never
Yeah.
happens. Exactly, exactly. And nowadays they are doing, madam, that advertise also so nicely. Means they are
Mm.
using their creativity, and they make us feel to take that things now, come what may. Rain or shine, I want to take those things. Okay. So that is their strategy, or you
That
can
is
say
all
skill.
strategy.
Nowadays, skill, yeah, and they have
But
nowadays that
I
skill.
have realized, Miss Sangeeta, that most of the things we purchase, we don't do that purchasing because they are worth it. Most of the things
Hmm.
we like, it's a market strategy. In fact, they succeed in selling their products to us, and we come home
Correct.
like with
Agreed.
bags full of all these different things.
Yes.
It's not they
Yes.
were need we didn't need, you can say it is impulsive buying. This is one thing. But another thing is their strategy, the way they sell their products, like you get one,
Cor-
buy one, get one kind of thing,
Yes. Yes.
or the way
Correct.
they display the items. So we just, when
Exactly.
we look at that dress and we admire and we buy that thing. Yes.
Actually, now my father told me that day, okay, Sangeeta, you have to see if you want that things or you want it is needed. If it
Mm.
is needed, then we have to buy. Okay.
Mm.
But if you want now, they have you have to rethink about it. Okay. But nowadays, mostly items we wanted only. We are not needed because everyone has everything at their home. Okay.
Mm.
But they only want something they want actually. That is the
Mm.
thing nowadays happening. So, what I want to tell all of your viewers also, we have to think that will I really use these things, or that
Mm.
thing it just become a guest at my
Mm.
home. And if it will become just a guest now, then don't take those things. Okay. So
Mm.
that is the mantra actually. We have to every time we have to keep in our mind. And I know it is easier said than done actually. It's very much impossible. We have to think. Otherwise, now our home will become like one
Clutter
word is
house.
there, but now
Clutter.
yeah, exactly, clutter box,
Mm.
clutter box.
Mm.
Exactly.
And
And
I
also
think
most of the yes,
I think we like,
yeah,
so far as the dresses, because we are focusing, being ladies, I think we are focusing more on the dresses. We must inculcate, or the habit of, if suppose it is badly needed, if it is badly needed in the markets, you can go and uh, you can have the dress on rent also. There is the option of getting it on rent, or you can borrow it from your sisters also if you badly need that dress. I think that we must also
yes,
do.
correct.
Normally, we don't do this because everybody wants to do their own purchase. But I think we should, because if it is
Exactly.
going to be just wastage of money, then we must give a thought on
Hmm.
renting out or borrowing it from somebody. We can do that also.
Exactly.
Mm.
Exactly. We always buy with great excitement only, okay, but never
Mm.
actually use those things. So that
You
is the
have
thing. But you know,
already, yes, sorry,
yeah.
continue, sorry.
No, 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 you can.
No, no,
First.
that your 30 days rule is coming again and again in my mind. That this is a very good advice because, yes, if you feel that something is really fascinating you a lot, but you don't need at
Mm.
that very moment, give yourself some time period. Like
Sometime.
as you said, that
Exactly.
if the thing or item cost a hefty amount like 2000 worth
Mm.
2000, and then you give
Yes.
yourself 30 days, I think whether it cost 2000 or it is of 500 rupees, but if you don't need it, give yourself some
Hmm.
time, take some time,
Ex-
10
Correct.
days or 20 days. And if after that even you are just going to that place and still you feel that you need it, you want to buy it, only then you buy it.
Correct.
Mm.
Correct. Yes. Because as I
Any,
told you now, the
sorry.
problem is not that you are wasting money, but
uh,
that atoms now, unused atom can clutter our surroundings and our lives also, and our mind also.
mm,
So that is actually very bad for us. Because nowadays everyone earning lot of money, there is no issue about money. But if you want to keep your mind also serene, calm, tranquility, then you have to just declutter those things, and
mm.
whatever you need, that things only you have to keep in your home. That is
And you see,
we can
our
say.
wardrobe is full of the dresses. I think it happens with all the ladies. But whenever we are to go out, we are unable to find anything to wear.
Exactly, because lots of choices are there now, so we can't
Mm.
choose. That is another thing actually. Correct,
And
correct. And you know,
yes,
yeah.
uh,
You
uh,
chose this topic so wisely, you know, it is really thought-provoking topic, because when you told me about this topic, I was only thinking, I was reflecting on myself only, Sangeeta. Actually, you are only doing those things. So it's very necessary for everyone actually to
mm,
open their eyes, because we know everything. Only the thing is that we want now that gentle nudge from another person. Then
mm,
we also become little alert and we feel, no, I also want to think about those things, whatever impulsive buying I am doing, so I have to
mm,
rethink about it. So you have chosen so wisely this topic, very different and unique topic actually, and very much useful for ladies and everyone, not
mm,
only ladies but for everyone, because nowadays male person, they are also not behind, you know, they are also doing online shopping, okay, not only ladies, they are also doing, because nowadays see, we are just doing, but with time, if you want to just if you are getting busy, so you are just scrolling your mobile, and sometimes that online shopping, so you are just clicking button and you are doing that things, okay, you are not doing anything mindfully,
mm,
okay, you are just doing for time pass also, you can say. So men are also doing nowadays lots of shopping, okay, impulsive shopping. That
mm.
is the thing.
I would like to add up something over here. It's regarding my husband's habit. He's not a techie person. He doesn't do anything online shopping kind of thing. And whenever
Okay.
he goes to the market, won't be doing purchasing anything for him. But he comes home buying some dresses which we haven't planned. He hasn't planned, and he would display it on the bed. Then start like showing me one by one. Why did you buy? When I ask, you can wear it, or like my son and daughter, she can wear it, or he can wear it. Like without any plan, you are bringing home all these dresses. What is the fun of this kind
Oh
of shopping? And
my
he
God.
won't buy anything for himself, but just
Okay.
randomly he would do the shopping. Yes,
Okay.
so yes, it is a thought-provoking topic. And how can,
Yes.
just one last question to you. Actually, it was
Hmm.
not a question answer kind of session. It was like a mutual kind of talk because it is a common
Yes.
topic. How can
Correct.
we resist this habit? Like, if so far as going to the market and doing purchase is concerned, that you can control. But what about this online shopping? How can we resist it?
Yeah, so yeah, it is very fascinating question, and you know what? Nowadays I am doing okay. I am just cultivating another hobbies, okay. And instead of doing that, because as I told you, I was doing that online shopping and saris and those things because I have subscribed that channel. My son only he unsubscribed that YouTube channel, okay. And now I am not getting any notification
Hmm.
from that, okay. So I'm not feeling to take anything. I am not tempting for that, okay. And you have to inculcate another hobby, or you can say another things, okay. If you just occupy with another stuff now, then you will never ever see online
Hmm.
things and those things. So that is mind is monkey mind. We like to just jump from here to there to there, okay. So you just stop those things, then only it will happen. You can cut down your online shopping.
We must train our mind that,
Yes,
and I'm frankly speaking, my takeaway from my own this session is your 30 days rule. Because
yeah,
nobody
correct.
talked about this kind of rule earlier, and it's going to be to prove very good exercise as well. Like, okay, I have given me 30 days, then I will see what happens after 30 days. I think 50% or more than those enchanting, you can say, the things, they will automatically go out of your mind.